Hello everyone, this is Parth Makwana from V-NET Automation System LLP. In this video, I will show you how can we export the historical data from the HMI and the V-BOX. So let's get started. I will use these four tags HAW 136 to 139 to create and exporting as a historical data. First of all, go to the historical data and data registration. Create one group here. I just give name to the test data and select the trigger as per your conditions. I select the no trigger and I will record my data in every 5 seconds. I click on the OK button and you can see my group is created successfully. Now you have to register your data. I will just add data in a group. This is my tag name and I will select my tag 136 to I will record four data and increment is 1. So I will record my data 136 to 140. So you can see here 136 to 139. I just create this text for recording and then you have to go to the raw data. Here you can see effect. Our tags are visible here and simple after selecting this group and this text, click on the search button. So you can see the effect to this page. My data will be recorded in every 5 seconds. You just have to click on this search for refresh it and then you can switch your data from this table. You can say test 0 to test 3. You can switch them from list to curve. Now you can see also my test 0 values. One is 787 to 55. You can see the value. Now I will just change the value. So you can see the effect here. In the curve. So these all are the updated values which reflect here. Wait, I think it is not recorded yet. Yes, you can see. And you can export this list by clicking on this button, export the Excel file. So item of the current pages. So click on the bigger items, HDW means 50,000 items, and click to the OK. And please make a note that you cannot export this curve. You can only export this table as Excel format. I will show you where is our recorded data. So here is our historical data. Okay, so this way you can create your text and export the data from the V-NET in V-BOX. Yes, you can if you want to see the data from particular date and time. So you can select your start date and start time from here. Okay, so this way you can use it. Then select your time, particular 17 to 18. Okay, and click to the OK button and search it. So here you can find your data from 617 to 618. Okay, and the another method for exporting the data that's you can create a Cloud SCADA for it. Let me just show you. Go to the SCADA page and go to your SCADA project and I will export. Sorry, I will just draw one trend here. So this is our Cloud SCADA history record object. I will just select here my all tags. You can see here my test 0, 136, 137. So here is one selection for how many channels you want to record. Let me just, you can switch your curve and list as you can add the more channel by clicking on this tag. You can see here add curve. So select your curve as per your requirement and click the OK button and select OK. So this all are selected, I think. Okay. So and and you can also change their colors of this state, and this one is for curve. You can switch in Cloud SCADA to table and to a historical train chart. Okay. So and the second one is for the style. So here is some settings I will show you later. Let me just save it and I will just browse it. So this is our Cloud SCADA report, and this one is our table format. So you can check here your all data and can download the export as an Excel file. Also, you can print your data. Suppose I write here, and this all data means time and test 0 to test 3. You want to print all the data. So collect to the confirm, and you can see this is your PDF is generated, and you can take a print of it. So and you can switch from the table to chart within a single click. You can see switch to the list mode. Also, if you want to remove this sum value and average maximum difference value, then you can customize it. You can customize it from here. Wait, I will show you. You can see you can just customize it. Also, if you want to filter this data into the Cloud SCADA, then you can also add it to click here filter bar option. Okay, you can see this filter is applied here. Click the save and you can browse it. So here simple, you can see my all the sum and difference values are removed, and I also add this uh, filter button. You can filter your data from here and can view this, and also can download into the Excel format. So this is the function of the Cloud SCADA into the V-Box. Now I will just show you how can we use this function into the HMI. So here I just also add my HMI, and I will show you my program. Here I just record the two datas. Yes, these two datas are here. I make a program and record my data to the every 1 second. So this is my data record program. This is my to tag in the data record function. You have to set the function that upload to cloud. You have to, yeah, if you have two channels, okay, or it is up to you how many channels you want to record. Okay, the limitations is a 50 tags. Right now I am using a pi3102ig-chmi. Okay, so I upload my two channel and for the demo purposes. So you can see and record my data record. So after it is completion, you are complete of this process to upload cloud. Okay, to upload cloud process, this process is very important to upload your data into the cloud in V-NET. Then go to this data view option, and you can find here historical data information page, and select your, this is your group name as we define into here. This is our group name 0, this one. Okay, so this group you can find into the VNet group name 0 and select your tags. Click on the search button. So same as the VBox, HMI just gives you the data record, and you can switch it easily between from list to curve. So same the VBox, if you want to export the data, so click on the export file, select your files, click on the OK buttons, and our data will be exported to the Excel file. So you can see our data is exported successfully. This is my HMI data. I'll just upload it to the cloud in every 1 second. You can see this, and you can also create a Cloud SCADA for the HMI because it is a IG-C HMI. So as you know, you can create a Cloud SCADA and do the same process like VBox. So wait, I will just show you. For creating a Cloud SCADA, you have to create tags into the collection point. Wait, I will just show you. This is the cloud function. Okay, and here the tags are available. Go to the tags and add here your variables. Okay, here I just add these two channels, channel 1 and channel 2, my two register, the same register. Okay, the same register I add here, and this is a read and write type. You can change this selection. Okay, so click on the save and compile program and download into the HMI. After that, whenever you are creating your HMI Cloud SCADA, you can find these two tags into here. Just I am plotting my history graph, and while I am selecting it, you can see, click on the add curve button, and these two channels I can see. Without please note that without creating these tags, you cannot find these tags into your Cloud SCADA of HMI. Okay, so this is the process for HMI, and just simple click on the save button and I browse it. Yes, so I can easily switch it, and the same function like my VBox. Okay, I can also download and print my data. So here is the today's content. Hope you just enjoy and learn it. How can we use the historical data in VBox and HMI? So thank you guys for watching it.